Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the city of Aba. This place is popularly known as Old Express Road, linking to the famous Ariaria International Market. We are here to find out how happy the residents of this area are since the commissioning of this road in the year 2023 by our Governor Alex Otti. It's a thing of joy that Aba is getting better once more. Few years ago, this road is nothing to write home about, but as you can see, just during the Ember month, the governor commissioned this road just few months into office, and we are happy with what we are seeing over here, with what the governor is doing for us. So we are going to ask a few of the residents over here a few questions concerning this particular road. But before that, let's look at some of the few features of the road. I believe this road has what we call a street light. It's a solar street light that comes up immediately at 7 p.m. So even if you don't have a headlamp, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't have a headlamp. Even if you don't have a headlamp in the night, you can easily access the road immediately at 7 p.m. This is so beautiful. If you can get a view of this solar street light in the night, you are definitely going to like it. So this road has been giving us some sort of headache, but as you can see, the Lord is helping us. The Governor Alex Otti, has done justice to this particular road. So we are here to ask some few residents what joy they have derived from the construction of this road. Just stay tuned. But before that, let's look at some of the few features of the road. As you can see, we have some street lights. These are solar street lights that comes up immediately. It is 7 p.m. on the dot. The solar light comes on. So even if you don't have headlamps, you can equally access the road using the solar. But that does not mean you should not get a headlamp. So stay tuned. I'm going to talk to a few of the residents so that they can share with me the joy that are in their hearts connecting to this particular construction of this road. Stay tuned. God bless you.